Hi, I look like this morning. I've been home for a while. I haven't cut my hair in like 5 months now. I dyed it blue, as you guys saw, like a month or two ago, and my ends are completely stained green because of how dry they are. To fix that, oVertone sent me another color to try. So I'm going to be trying the ginger coloring conditioner. So this isn't actually made for brown hair, and this is my first time trying something that isn't made for brown hair, but I really want to try it. But I have these nasty green ends, so I'm gonna try to trim them a little and then dye them. So I'm doing what everybody else on the internet is doing right now, and I'm cutting and dyeing my own hair. I don't know, I also go back to work in 3 weeks apparently, so I watched a few videos of people cutting their hair and they just kind of like section their hair into 4 pieces. I have curly hair, so this might not work out well. It's also really dirty, so that coloring it is easy. I guess just like section it into 4 even pieces and lower this a little bit. My mirror is like right here, so if you're wondering why I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. It's about right, I think. Okay, I'm gonna... These are the scissors I'm using. This is not even that big of a deal. Okay. Okay. It's just a trim. Okay, so I took off about this much hair. Okay, no, it's not even like that bad. That's actually not bad at all, right? Right? Yeah, it definitely like feels bouncier. Like, I don't know, let's look at the back. Is it bad? Okay, no, the back literally looks the same. This is fine. Oh, my ends like feel so good. There's still like a lot of split ends, but not nearly as much. Part of me just like wants to continue cutting because that was really fun, but the other part of me knows that that's just not it. Let's move on to the putting color in my hair. So this one broke in the package, so I'm gonna try to use it first. I have a towel on my floor, for everyone wondering. I'm gonna put my gloves on though. First, I'm gonna section my hair. I should have figured that. It's like I'm a rookie. I'm really not. I do this all the time. This is what it looks like. It's very orange. My hands look so silly.
Hot Cheeto hand.
I think this is just about as coated as I can get it. Okay. Gonna let this sit for like 45 minutes, maybe more. I'm gonna try to scrub off this. So I'm back like several hours later. This was such a process because I spent like an hour almost washing it out of my hair because I put so much product in, but this is the finished result. It's so shiny. I love it. And my hair, like the length is great. I styled and blow dried, like I blow dried and styled it, but it's a really red. It's like a really deep, it's like a deep orange copper. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like it. My sister said she didn't, which is kind of awkward. Do have a ton of it on my scalp and like around my hairline, which is not a big deal. It happens like every time I dye my own hair because I just can't keep it clean when I'm doing it myself. But I think overall I really like it. I think this, I say this every time, but I think this actually might be one of my favorite colors, and because I have so much of it left over, I'm able to touch it up so that it looks good, and I'll probably do it again in a week. But it looks amazing. I don't know, I like it a lot. I don't care what anybody says. You guys can hate on me. I don't even care at this point. Let me know what you guys think of the color. The cut did nothing, but I mean, it made it feel a little bit bouncier. I don't know. Yeah, so I guess that's it. This is my current color now. Changes like every month, but I really like this one. Maybe this one will stick longer. Who freaking knows anymore? Oh yeah, my ears are orange as well. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and if not, I'm so sorry. As always, my referral code for oVertone is in my bio. I'm not sponsored by them. They did send me the product for free, but I'm not making any money off of it. And if you use my referral, you get $10. I get $10 off my next order. So it's kind of like a win-win for all of us around here. I guess that's everything, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.